Hello, this is Angela with Parkrose Permaculture. Today I'm going to show you how to cast off a knitting project. If you're here because you purchased my Dragon Mitts pattern, thank you very much, and I hope this video is helpful for you. We've done the cuff, we've added all of the scales, we've done the thumb gusset, we've done the ribbing for the wrist, and now we are going to cast off and finish our mitts. Yes, this project did knit both mitts at once on 2 circular needles using the capboardy method, so the cast-off will be just a tiny bit more complicated than if we were using straight needles, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it. We just finished a knit 1 purl 1 rib, but the cast-off will all be knit stitches. I think it looks neater. Start by knitting 2 stitches. Then you're going to insert the left needle into the front of the first stitch that you knitted and slip it over and off the second stitch. Knit another stitch, take the first stitch, slip it over and off. Knit 1 stitch, put your left needle into the front of that first stitch, slip it over and off. So you're never going to have more than 2 stitches on your right needle at any given time. Once you get down to the last 2 stitches, you will cast one off and be left with 1 remaining loop. Do not cut your yarn. You will have to cast off the other half of this mitt still, so you will leave 1 loop on this needle. Look how pretty and neat this cast off method is. It leaves a nice edge on our cuff. But first, let's take the other ball of yarn and begin casting off the front half of the second mitt. So now I have 1 stitch left on each of the mitts on the front needle. I'm going to flip them around. Now I can't forget that last stitch. I've got to connect it around to the back of the work. So in order to do that, I'm going to knit with 1 green needle and with 1 silver needle. Easy peasy. Now I continue with the same cast off pattern, making sure that I have no more than 2 stitches at any given time on my right needle. When I'm left with 1 stitch on my needle and my mitt entirely cast off, I want to break the yarn, take the end tail and stick it through that hole and cinch it down. I have now cast off 1 mitt, and I will repeat this with the other one. I really like this cast off for the cuffs of mittens. It provides enough elasticity and stretch that you can get the mitten on, but it doesn't sag over time like some of the super stretchy cast offs I might use on the edge of a lacy shawl. It provides just enough stability and just enough stretch. Thank you for watching today. If you purchased my Dragon Mitts pattern, thank you double. To everyone who watched, I hope that you feel confident in casting off your knitted projects. I'll be back soon, and if you need additional help, check out the other videos in this playlist.